Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To create a signature in Gmail, the first thing we need to do is click the Settings, then click Settings again. After that, in the General tab, let's look down at the Signature section. Here, we must click on the second circle to activate this option. Now, in this empty field we can write our signature. In my case I will write my name first, then my position in my job. I will select Graphic Designer. I click on Bold. I can also change the color easily and also the size of the font. And the type of font I want to use. At the bottom I will write the website, howto.org. I will select it and click on Link so that it becomes a link. We can click on Change. Here we can easily modify the URL and also in the upper field, we can change the text to display. We click on OK. Then, we go down with scroll bar and click on Save Changes. Now, if we click on Compose, we see that the signature automatically appears in our message. Let's go back to the signature options to see that we can add an image too. I'm going to place it at the top of all the text. We click on Insert Image. Then we click on Upload. We press the button Select a file from your device. I'll double-click on the image I want to upload. Then we wait for a few seconds and it will appear at the top. If we click on the image, we can modify the size. In my case, I will leave the option Small activated. That's it, now we have to click on Save Changes. When we click on Compose, we can see our signature with our image. What happens if I want to deactivate this option? Go back to Settings, and in the Signature section, we activate the No Signature circle. Then click on Save Changes. And when you click on Compose, we see that the signature has disappeared. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.